Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need GeForce experience and a recent Nvidia driver. Once installed, open the app and sign in. Next, press Alt+Z to open Nvidia Share and enable it in settings so the overlay is active. Make sure your GPU supports shadow play features. If unsure, update the driver and relaunch GeForce experience. Finally, pick which capture mode you want: instant replay for retro saves, record for manual capture, or broadcast if streaming. This gets you into the overlay fast and lets you configure the essentials immediately. Once the overlay is active, open Settings Video Capture to pick resolution, frames per second, and bitrate. For most PCs, 1080p at 60 FPS is ideal. Then select NVENC as the encoder to keep CPU free and enable performance options like variable bitrate if you need smaller files. Set hotkeys clearly: start/stop recording, save replay, and toggle mic, so you can control captures mid-game. After configuration, run a short test recording to verify audio levels, file location, and visual quality before doing long sessions. Finish by confirming your save location and testing a full-length capture. Make sure disk space and write speed support your chosen bitrate. If the overlay doesn't appear, restart GeForce Experience, reinstall the latest driver, and temporarily disable other overlays like Steam or Discord to avoid conflicts. If you get dropped frames or stutter, lower FPS or bitrate, switch to a different preset, or enable NVENC performance mode so the GPU handles encoding more efficiently. One quick fix: reboot after driver updates to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.